Hello and welcome to Optimal Digestion. If you are tired of the afternoon energy crash, the relentless brain fog, and that embarrassing, painful bloat, you are in the right place. That is your gut sending you a major distress signal. Stop accepting it. In the next few minutes, I'm giving you my exact, step-by-step 5-day gut reset protocol designed to transform your digestion, sharpen your focus, and restore your energy levels. This is a complete microbiome overhaul based on solid science. If you are serious about achieving optimal health, hit the subscribe button now and join our community so you can follow this protocol with us. We start with day 1, the elimination phase. To heal, we must cut out the 3 biggest gut irritants. 1. All artificial sweeteners. They actively destroy your good bacteria. 2. High fructose corn syrup. It is fuel for gas and fermentation. And 3. Refined seed oils, canola, soybean, etc. These oils promote deep inflammation. For 5 days, switch to olive or avocado oil only. Now we introduce the heroes over days 2, 3, and 4, build and repair. Focus on 3 powerhouses. First, collagen. Think of it as the literal glue that seals and repairs your gut lining. Second, sauerkraut. A cheap, potent, and readily available probiotic source. And third, resistant starch. Introducing chilled potatoes or slightly green bananas. This feeds your good bacteria better than almost anything else. Finally, day 5, integration and the mind-gut connection. Stress literally shuts down digestion. You must learn the vagus nerve hack. Before every meal, take 6 slow seconds to inhale, hold for 4, and exhale slowly for 8. This immediately sends a rest and digest signal to your body, optimizing enzyme production. Make this your permanent habit. You now have the full 5-day blueprint to achieve lasting comfort and clarity. Start your transformation today. If you found this expert protocol valuable, like this video and join the Optimal Digestion community now for more science-backed strategies to master your health. Thank you for watching.